In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your status on Slack with a personalized touch using an emoji. This simple yet powerful feature is a great way to let your team know what's going on with you at a glance. Whether you're stepping away for lunch, working remotely, or just need some focus time, setting a status is an effective way to communicate without sending a message. So let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. First things first, let's locate your profile picture, which you can find in the top right corner of your Slack window. This is your go-to spot for accessing your personal account settings and features like updating your status. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. Once you've clicked your profile picture, you'll see a menu pop up on the screen. Here, look for the option labeled Update Your Status. This is the feature that allows you to communicate your current state of activity, mood, or availability to your colleagues effortlessly. Clicking on it takes us to the next stage of the process. Now comes the fun part, choosing an emoji. You'll see a pop-up appear with a variety of status options and emojis. This is where you get to be creative or straightforward, depending on what message you wish to convey. Browse through the emojis and select one that best represents your current status. Whether it's a coffee cup icon for a coffee break, a home icon for working remotely, or a focus icon when you need some quiet time, there are plenty of options to choose from. Your chosen emoji will soon be your little status symbol for everyone to see. After you've settled on the perfect emoji, it's time to save your changes to make your status official. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the pop-up menu. Clicking Save applies your new status, and just like that, the emoji will now be displayed right next to your name across channels and direct messages, conveying your current status to everyone in your workspace. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and effective way to keep your teammates in the loop about your availability or current focus. Remember, Slack is all about seamless communication, and using the status feature is a great way to enhance this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll start making regular use of your status to communicate quickly and efficiently with your team. Feel free to tailor your emoji choices according to your personal style or company culture. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.